Yo.
So you just eat the claw, you don't eat the inside?
So these the crabs that come out on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have blue crabs. Like, it don't look nothing as scary as this.
That bitch look angry.
All crabs look the same.
No, it
don't.
Our crabs don't have hair.
What you just buy? Crack a leg.
Yeah,
Crack a leg.
Let's see, okay.
What did it taste like?
It's a little mushy.
Ugh.
It's mushy.
That crab looks scary, bro.
Right here.
Yeah, split it like the L crabs.
Regular ones. All right, let's see.
Oh my god, that looks so crazy.
Oh, we got a little taste to it, like a little spice.
Yeah, it's spicy.
Ew, what the fuck?